Okay, question number 2. What is the oxidation number of chromium in Cr2O7 ion? Okay, so first let's define what an oxidation number is. Okay, so the oxidation number is the total number of electrons that an atom has lost or gained to form a chemical bond. Okay, so there are certain rules to when calculating the oxidation number. But for our case, one of the rules is that for oxygen, oxygen typically has an oxidation number of -2, except when it is a peroxide. Okay, so that will be helpful for us when finding the oxidation number of chromium. And another helpful tip is that the sum of the oxidation numbers in a compound is equal to its overall charge. So let's say we had a compound that was neutral. If it had something that had an atom that had an oxidation number +1, then the other atom that it is bonded to would have an oxidation number of -1. So we know that when you add those charges together and get a neutral molecule, their oxidation number, the sums, will be equal to 0. Okay, so these two rules are helpful in answering this question. So we know that the sum of the oxidation numbers in a compound is equal to its overall charge. So if we had the overall charge this is equal to 2 times the oxidation number of chromium plus 7 times the oxidation number of oxygen. Okay, so now let's sub in what we know. We know the overall charge of this ion is -2. And we're trying to solve for the oxidation number of chromium. And we know the oxidation number of oxygen is -2. So 2 plus 14 is equal to 2 times the oxidation number of chromium. So 12 over 2. Making the oxidation number of chromium equal to 6. Or positive 6. Okay, so let's see what the junior tutor said. The oxidation state of an element refers to the total number of electrons that the element lost or gained to form a chemical bond, other atoms resulting in a chemical compound. Oxygen has the ability to gain 2 electrons, resulting in an oxidation state of -2. However, there are exceptions, including molecules or polyatomic ions that contain oxygen-oxygen bonds. Oxidation state of chromium varies to +2, +3, and +6, depending on the atoms it will attach to. To determine the oxidation state of chromium in the overall compound, we must consider that the compound is charged, thus the overall charge must be -2. Calculating the oxidation state of chromium, they have the same equation and also got +6. So this solution is correct.